Welcome to Spitzer Buick GMC Findlay. And here's a look at another one of our great vehicles for sale. And comes equipped with RS package, high-intensity discharge headlamps, Apple CarPlay, rear view camera, power sunroof, AM/FM radio with Chevrolet MyLink, premium audio system, paddle shift manual controls, Sirius XM satellite radio, speed sensing steering, and has less than 15,000 miles on the odometer. Saving you more since 1904. The Spitzer family of dealerships is proud to provide our friends and neighbors with the best purchasing and owning experience in Ohio. We have a friendly staff and provide a fun atmosphere for our guests. And we offer the best value for the lowest price. So give us a call or stop by Spitzer Buick GMC Findlay today, where our world revolves around you.